Om Shanti. Greetings of peace to all of you. Global Hospital and Research Center, Mount Abu, in Rajasthan, India, is the only healthcare center of this district, Siroi. It has started its journey in October 91, and with the holistic approach, because it is surrounded by many villages, around 100 villages are here, but we were not having proper healthcare facilities in this area. Mount Abu is the only hill station between two states, Gujarat and Rajasthan, and this is also a very famous tourist place where people are visiting not only from India but also from different parts of the world. Being such a peaceful and such a holistic hill station with natural beauty, but the only thing it was lacking from years was there was no proper healthcare center for this area. So Global Hospital and Research Center started its journey in 91 with few basic facilities, but gradually taking care of the people and looking at their demands, we have started few super specialties also. In this line, after 1991, few facilities we introduced, like joint replacement surgeries, and also some of the laparoscopy surgeries were also done. But the year 2000 came when we started one of the very important services, and this was the plastic surgery, cleft lip and palate surgery. And in 2000, this initiative was taken by Dr. Shailesh Vadodria. He came in 2000 with his team from UK and Sweden, and in this team we had speech therapist, we have a dental specialist, and also the specialist in other areas, and also anesthetist, and some of the trained staff. And this was really a milestone in the progress of Global Hospital and Research Center, because we never thought that this kind of the surgery will be going to take place in Mount Abu, because this is the area in which we have almost 100 villages, and few of the villages, more than 60 villages, they were adopted by Global Hospital and Research Center. And when we introduced cleft lip and palate surgery to the people, and specifically in the villages, there was kind of a revolutionary step, because for the people it was like it was a dream. The children, those were already from years in these villages with cleft lip and palate, and it was like in Rajasthan it was considered it is a curse from goddess, and they were not coming out from their homes and they were not going to the hospitals for this surgery. So Global Hospital with Dr. Shailesh team, they had created a new faith in the people, and they started coming to Global Hospital, and cleft lip and palate operations were done in Global Hospital, and this way, they were coming to us back with a new smile. So this initiative was giving them a new smile to the faces of the children and adults. And gradually, now from last 11 years, a tireless service of Dr. Shailesh and Dr. Sharad Mehta, who is an ENT surgeon, and also he took initiative in the beginning, and now we are finding that lots of people are, specifically those poor children and the villagers, they are coming with lots of faith to Global Hospital and Research Center. And I mean, we have done more than 1,000 surgeries. And when I was talking to these people as a manager public relations and media, I had a chance of talking to these patients, and I was listening to their stories, and I find many times there is tears of joy in the eyes of the patients and also the eyes of the parents, because for them it is very difficult to believe that how their children, they look so beautiful, they're smiling, they're happy, they feel very confident. So these stories are, amazing stories. Not only this, but these operations are done free of cost. It is such a important step, because when they come to know, if they go to the big cities like Bombay and Delhi, they had to pay a lots of money for such surgeries. And Global Hospital and Research Center is providing them such a beautiful surgeries, and with all the equipments, because we have when we started these surgeries, so Dr. Shailesh is coming with his excellent team with all the equipments, and the surgeries are done here. And it is so interesting, not only from Rajasthan, but we are receiving now patients from out of Rajasthan, from big cities, from Gujarat, and from nearby states. The patients are coming to us because now they have lots of stories, and such stories in which children are looking and they are healthy now. And we have now at present, we are finding that around the year the patients are coming to us, and these children, such a faith in Global Hospital and Research Center, and also on cleft lip and palate surgeries, that now if the baby is born with cleft lip and also with the palate, so immediately they contact Global Hospital and Research Center and they come to us. And now we are finding that this kind of a free treatment at Global Hospital, because Global Hospital and Research Center is the only first center of Brahma Kumari's World Spiritual University, because Mount Abu is Brahma Kumari's headquarters, under which we have now 9,000 branches in India, and out of India we are in 137 countries of the world. So Global Hospital and Research Center is not serving only the India, but we are receiving it from out of India also. Many patients are coming, and when they hear these stories in which the really poor, needy, tribal patient and children, they are getting the free cleft lip and palate surgery. This is such a wonderful work is done by the team of Dr. Shailesh and also Dr. Sharad Mehta and anesthetist team of Global Hospital and Research Center. So this is really a remarkable work which needs lots of support of the people. And of course, seeing work of Global Hospital, which is unique in its approach, because we have a holistic center, we give a spiritual counseling to the patient, because it is an integrated approach, mind and body both are getting care here. We have a meditation center here. So when patient they come here, they are not only patient to us, but we take patient as a whole. So we try to give a positive thinking courses to them, and also try to make them comfortable. So this is a unique approach of Global Hospital. So Global Hospital and Research Center is thanking again and again, and a feeling of gratitude to Dr. Shailesh and his team for doing a wonderful job and wonderful work for such patients. Thank you very much.